Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, October the 4th, 2021. Yes, a new week. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but we have also an additional with an extra puzzles. And there are 6 extra puzzles in this additional. We have a letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars. We have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. Total of 6 puzzles. Those puzzles are not interested. But first, we will solve this baby. Okay, Hound, show me a Sudoku Medium. And this one will be number 3488. 3488, I believe. Let me check this. I think 3488, yes. 3488. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, 4, 5. Oh, 6 is it? Ah, I've made a mistake. It's not 8, but the 6. 8, 6. Correction. So 3, 4, 8, 6. It's a 6, yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number... Yeah. Let me see the 9 in this column. 9 in the middle columns and a column next. The only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 and a 3 in this big square. So no 4 and a 3 in those 3 boxes. The 4 and a 3 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below. The only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then we have a 3 in this row. The last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Alright. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Okay. Then I cannot continue with the 7, but I can continue with the 9. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. Alright. Then. How about, let me see. The 9, okay. I'm scanning. I believe we have a pair. Yeah. We have a 3 and a 9 in the last column. 3 and a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 3 and a 9 goes in these 3 boxes, 3 and a 9, but we have also a 3 and a 9 in the second row, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, all right. Then we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now. Ooh. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, we see that's a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5 and 6. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this. Oh, wait. Do we have all the 7s? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Then. Let me see. How about yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Then 2, 7. I'm thinking. How about 4, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There are 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. Okay, and we have a pair again. 1 and a 4 in this row, 1 and a 4 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 3 place for the 1 and 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in the last column, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 5 and 6. 5 and a 6 are missing. 5 and a 6. Let me mark those. 5 and a 6. Alright. Then. 4, 6. Interesting. Then 6, 5, 8. 8. Okay. How about the number 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd row, 4 in the 1st row. So in the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. All right. Then 6, 5, 1, 1. 1. Okay. 1, 5, 6. And 3. 3. 6. 3. 6. 5. Thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. So no 6 in this box. The 6 could be here, could be there. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 could be here, could be there. So now we have 1 number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? The 2 is 1. The 2 is missing 3. The 4 is missing 2, 4. And 5 and 6 is missing. Yes. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4 earlier. But now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1. Okay. 2 boxes left in the 3rd column. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next on the last column. The only place for the 5 should be there. I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Okay, so now 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 5 and a 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. This box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be 6. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5 and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. 2-star Sudoku, yes, definitely. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the letter Sudoku. Playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries. I have also a playlist for the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Hound, yes, my personal assistant. Hound, okay Hound, show me a Sudoku Medium puzzle. See you then, bye bye for now.